Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time another unboxing. I actually have two for you guys today. I have one big old box and then I have this package that came via DHL. You guys can see, and usually when I get something sent through DHL, it's usually came from outside the United States. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so let's start with this package. So let me go ahead and get my knife and I will open it up. Alright. So here is the item. I have purchased from this company several times before and they always package things very well, and it takes a while to unpack it. So so here is the package, and let me carefully, oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? Okay, so I will speed through this part. They package it so hard to get into, but I'm almost there. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to cut the item itself. Okay. So if you guys know what this color is from, it is a Louis Vuitton box. And let me go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so here is the dust bag. Here is the empty box. Let me open it up. And I have, so this is a Prada wallet in the monogram titanium. You guys can see it. And here is the booklet that came with the piece. And I guess it did not come with the tags, but it is brand new. And yeah, it is really nice. There you go. And I did get this because, if you'll see, I got another box here, and I did want to do these at the same time because they basically, you know, go together. So if you guys have seen my previous videos on my monogram titanium items, I did have a keep all and I did have the messenger PM. So you guys know that I did return the keep all, but I never did say whether or not I returned the messenger PM. And now the messenger PM was the one that had a scratch on it, and I thought long and hard, and I did decide to return it because I didn't want a brand new piece to already have a scratch on it. And yeah, once I packaged it up and sent it off to my SA, I already started regretting it. And my SA said, like, you know, there are still hundreds of people on the wait list for this item. But one night I was looking on the LV website, so I started to stock this item on the LV website. And let me just go ahead and open this already, okay? So here is the box, and there is perforations on here so I could easily open it, but they of course put more tape on here. And I am again filming this video late at night because it's the only time I have to do it. So please excuse if I do seem a little tired. Okay, how the heck? You're supposed to open. Why aren't you opening? Come on.
What the heck? Okay, so I don't know how to open this damn box. Let me see. Okay. Good lord, sorry, it's like not a very... I do not know how the hell to open the damn box. Oh, wait. What in the world? Oh my goodness, how the hell?
Okay. Okay, I think I figured it out. And let me open it up with you guys. So there is an orange box in here also. And here is my receipt. Let me take this box out of here and put this box down. And here is the box. Let me go ahead and open it with you guys. Oh my gosh, okay, so, and there is the dust bag. Alright, here it is. And you guys guessed it, I got the Messenger PM again. And for one, I do know that it is not the same one that I did return, because the one that I returned did not have the hardware in plastic. And this one so far looks like it is scratch free, but I will do, after I get off of here, I will definitely make a closer inspection, because I know this canvas is very, very delicate. Let me see what's on the inside here. So they did put some paper in here. I mean, some air paper. And here are the... Here is the booklet for this one. And here is the textile card. And let me see. So they did not include the tag, which is okay. But here is a dust bag. And yeah, I already showed you guys the inside of this. There are 2 pockets on the inside. I wish there was a pocket on the back, but unfortunately there is not. But yeah, I'm just so glad to have this piece again. And yeah, I will, like I said, I will definitely inspect it. But so far it does look good. So here is the 2 pieces together, and you guys did see that I did do an unboxing of another piece. That was a watch strap in this same canvas. And so now I currently have these 3 items. And I couldn't be happier. It does not seem like I'm happy right now because I'm so tired, but yeah, I am. And oh, it looks like, so the inside of the Prada wallet is in a tiger leather. And I think this is in the color maybe Glacier, which is the gray color. I'm not sure though, because I think maybe the Glacier color is a little bit lighter. This is probably sort of the same color as the monogram. Titanium. And I just want to give this piece a quick look over, because I have seen some items on here where there are spots in the material, and it looks good so far. But yeah, so that is my unboxing for you guys today. Hope you liked it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And yeah, until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.